Hello there, how is your practice going on? Today you will take another lesson on landscape which based on western snow covered area. So as draw the subject and apply water just the background area. Then apply indigo color on a sky, also down area behind of the house. The same color I have almost used in whole work, just sometimes I have mixed black to make indigo color little dark. Sometimes you see your paper may have bent look when you apply water, so that's not a problem. Just move the color with your brush when you see color not moving and just stay in one side. Also be careful, only apply this method when paper hold water. Don't apply this process when the other portion got dried out. Also I suggest you stop your ceiling fan over your head because fan will create problem when you do watercolor. AC room is better but natural air is too good for watercolor. When you do these kinds of relaxing landscape, don't use excessive color, just little bit of color and control it all over the page. You can see I have used maximum color on upper portion, on ground just water and few more lines. After all, draw some branches with black color and few more stroke with white. You can also use any kinds of white pen or black pen, but one thing you have to be careful that those pens should be waterproof because this is watercolor. If you use any kinds of gel pen or any kinds of others non-waterproof pen, your work may be destroyed. You can ask me that why I am using white color on watercolor. Actually, you can see that this paper actually not the pure white. It's like a sub of white types of papers, and you can use white color from gouache to make some highlighted area after complete your work. Okay, when you finished your work, just at the end use some lines. If you want to make any highlighted area, any lines, any specific lines, just use any kinds of gouache white color. Okay, not oil color, only the water based color. Hope this tutorial help you a lot. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.